Welcome, so today I am with Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and I'm going to show you all functions that you can find in the Camera Pro mode. So to open the Pro mode you have to go for the More modes and you have to tap and select Pro. You can also go and open the Pro Video mode, so we can decide which mode you want to use, but in this video I'm going to focus on the normal Photo mode, Photo Pro mode of course. Okay, so just take a look what we can find right here. Okay, and as you can see, that's all from the Camera Pro mode in the smartphone. So that's all features that you can find right here. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.